guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can watermark your videos on CapCut PC so that nobody uses them. So for instance, you want to add in, you want to upload a video but you don't want anyone to steal them, so you can add in a filter on top first. I don't know, it's up to you what filter you want to add, and then you can go back to media and you can add in either a logo or a text that has your username on it. I'm just going to combine these two. Saturn, I don't know. And I'm also going to change the font here. Then I'm going to select both. I'm going to then select create compound clip, and then I'm going to go to blend mode and I'm going to select the overlay one so it's not too harsh on the video. And make sure you don't put it in the corner, make sure you kind of put it in the middle. Let me just actually do that before, here I guess, and then I'll add in the blend mode and just scale it down, and make sure you put it in the middle so that people can't crop your overlay, your watermark out. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.